Hi guys, today I'm recreating this look by Yara Shahidi for a prom hair tutorial. Also featuring my friend Alexis from LexisHair. She's an amazing natural hairstylist, so please check out her channel and check out her video. I will link it in my description box. So I'm starting off with hair from the Wild Thornberries. So I'm using my new Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hydrate and Repair leave-in just for, conditioning my ends to make it damp. And of course I'm using water to style my hair so that it'll be more manageable and I can sleek it down. Now for this look, it looks like Yara was wearing a side part, so I'm just creating a deep part and I'm just adding more water, and it just looks crazy, but trust me, we're gonna make it work. So I'm using a brush first to just kind of smooth out the hair to get it in place. And then I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel. This is the Argan oil. It is supposed to be like the most strongest gel, so I really like it. I've been using it for years now. And just for a tip, when you're doing a side part or a deep side part, a tip is to separate the hair and then apply gel to have it, smoother basically, to smooth it out. And then that way the hair won't be so dry and you won't have to worry about having damage and breakage, and the brush can just glide through the hair. Since my hair is much thicker, I needed more gel, so I'm using the Curl and Wave Eco Styler gel. It has a pretty good strong hold also. Not as strong as the Argan oil, but I like how it makes my hair really curly, and it smells so good. So I just lathered it all over my hair because I want this to be a sleek look, but also finger waved. And if you don't have a brush like this, you can also use a Demon brush or basically a wig brush. These work so much better, honestly, as far as getting the hair in place. As you can see how much better it sleeked it down, and it's really getting all of those strands to lay down pretty flat. And then you can go in and perfect it with the hard bristle brush. Now I'm just using some curling moves from Cream of Nature, and this is just to kind of sleek my hair down also, and to also give it a little bit more slip, so when I create the finger waves, my hair will kind of slide into place. So you can use a rat tail comb. There is another kind of comb that has more finer, like close together teeth, but this is the only one that I could just find at the time. But the key to doing finger waves is to slide the comb downwards and then in the same direction that you're sliding your finger in. And they're literally called finger waves because you have to use your fingers. But it does kind of take a while, and you may have to like loosen your ponytail up if your hair is like really tight, if you're trying to do like multiple finger waves, like the small ones. So yeah, this is kind of a struggle for me. This is my first time doing it. So I'm actually going to use my even edge control because this stuff like really gets your hair to lay in place. It has a thick consistency, so it just helped me so much. It just helped me. You can tell like it's actually working. It's like staying in place. And I mean, the gel is good too if you're, you just have gel. But I mean, this technique was just easier for me in my hair type. And the brown stuff is from using brown gel. I showed that off camera. Well, I didn't show it, but it was off camera. Alright, and last but not least, always use a scarf. This is like how to sleek your edges for real, just using a scarf and tying it tight for at least an hour. But I'm using my blow dryer from Sally's. It was about $7. So this is kind of quicker than just, you know, overnight, because when you sleep overnight, like me, it's gonna come out all wrong. So I'm just attaching my wig to, yeah, this is actually a wig. This is not a ponytail, but I did use hair clips, hairpins actually before I did this. I didn't know that I wasn't filming that part, but to secure it, I just used the hairpins, and then I'm tying this extra large ponytail holder to just kind of make it a little tighter. And I did a tutorial like this before, so check that one out too. And that's just basically it for this look. If you do have a lot of curly extensions, you can create your own ponytail, but I figured by taking this fall wig, it's just so much bigger. And that's basically it for the styling of this tutorial. Comment below if you guys would try this hairstyle, or if you think that I did a good job. And also don't forget to watch Alexis' video. I'll link it in my description box. This is a side-by-side comparison. Comment below what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and check out my previous videos of hairstyles and natural hairstyles that are on my channel. And I will make sure that I link them in the description box for the playlist to watch all of these, or whichever ones you like. See you guys in my next video.